Hi, this is Ben from rideonmowers.co.uk. Today we're going to show you how to install your steering wheel onto your brand new ride-on mower. So you can see here, the wheels are nice and straight. You get this little bit here, it's got a line which sits on the steering wheel, just like that. You can feel it when it clicks in. Wheels are nice and straight. Then you need to get the nice big long bolt. It's got a grab washer on the side there. So loosely put it on top just for the time being, and put that properly in. Just make sure the little plastic clips are in the right place, and that's nice and secure. Then get your steering wheel. There we go, nice and secure. Nice little sneaker cap, just to go on to cover that up. Perfect. Thanks for watching today. Remember, if you need help or advice on buying your brand new ride-on mower, give us a call or visit www.rideonmowers.co.uk.